নমস্কার সবাইকে, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল ঠাকুমার ঝুলি, and today in my ঝুলি I have another very nice authentic recipe of Bengal. It is a recipe with fish egg, মাছের ডিমের ভুনা, ঝুরঝুরে ভুনা। তো মাছের ডিমের বড়া আমরা অনেকেই খাই, মাছের ডিমের বড়ার ডালনা আমরা অনেকেই খাই, which is like very common, right? So let's try something different and let's try this মাছের ডিমের ঝুরঝুরে ভুনা, ঝুরো ভুনা. It tastes wonderful and let's see how to make it. Come along with me.
So we take this মাছের ডিমের বড়া and we'll marinate it with turmeric, Kashmiri mirch and ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. We'll mix it well and this is how it looks. So we'll have to mix it really well. Now in a pan I'll take oil, and this particular dish is made with mustard oil. It is a must, and we need loads and loads of oil. We cannot be miser in using oil for this dish. So once the mustard oil is heated, I will put 2 medium onions and will fry that. Potatoes cut into cubes. In Bengali we call it dumo dumo kore kata alu. We will put it. Now potatoes is definitely optional. If you want, you can put it. I love potatoes in this dish, so I have put it. If you want, you can do it without using the potatoes. So I'll fry these all together. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon gets in. All of this will mix very nicely. This is 1 medium to large size tomato, also goes in, and will mix fry together. Time for some masalas. This is turmeric, red chili or Kashmiri mirch, and cumin powder. So I have made a paste of all of these, which is now going in. Now with all these masalas and the other ingredients that we have put until now, onion, ginger garlic, tomato, potato, we will give a very nice mix and bhalo kore what is called koshano, that we have to do, so that the flavor of masalas and all other ingredients, they get mixed with each other. Covering, and we'll cook it for probably few more minutes until the potatoes are done. So while this is being done, yes, I'm keeping it over there in another flame burner. I will take one more pan, and in this pan, if you remember this fish egg which we had marinated, so we will fry it over here. Again we take little mustard oil. Once it's heated, the marinated fish egg goes in. And as the name suggests, মাছের ডিমের ঝুরো ভুনা. So we have to make ঝুরো, ঝরঝর, ঝুরো. So that process will happen now. We'll spread it and then we'll make a ঝুরো. We'll have to fry it very nicely. See, we are spreading it out and then we'll make a jhuro out of it. See, this fish egg is almost done. The frying is done. It has absorbed all the oil and we are making jhuro now. You can even do it with your hands once it's a little cooled. And here I have the other masala which is almost done. It was cooking on the other burner and we will cook it for a few more minutes. Jake bole koshano. We'll put little water and again we will stir it. Keep cooking it. This enhances the taste. So I feel that the potatoes are 95% done now. So I'm adding necessary water to the dish. Now, as I was saying, this fish eggs, I prefer keeping it to bite sizes. If you want, you can make it completely jhuro. Now, since I have potatoes which are cut into cubes, I prefer to make the fish eggs also bite sizes. If you decide not to have potatoes, then you can completely make this fish eggs like completely jhuro and fry it. That also gives very nice taste. Now see, I had covered and cooked the fish egg with the curry. It has absorbed all the curry and it is almost done. Potatoes are done. Fish egg again is done. It has absorbed all masalas and here comes the final signature step, which is putting the mustard oil. So before dishing out or putting off the flame, around 5-6 minutes before that, I have put this oil. Again this fish egg will absorb it, but the taste, the flavor that will be retained is mind-blowing. I have to fry it more in this mustard oil. Remember, I had told you in the beginning we have to use a lot of oil. Doraj hate tel dhalte hobe, kiptemi korle ekdom cholbe na. We can't be miser about using oil in this dish. Now this is exactly before dishing out roasted crushed cumin powder. So I'll make it fresh and put it in this dish. It enhances the flavor. Here you go, my dish is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. I have garnished it with green chilies. Green chilies adds on to the flavor. You can see those fish egg pieces, the potatoes which look so juicy. The fish eggs, they're also very juicy. You can see they are bite sizes. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Please try out and let me know how it was. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Thakuma Jhuli for more such interesting recipes. Till then, bye.